All right, that was 2.5 pounds of chopped cabbage. I now have here 2 pounds of cooked and drained ground beef that we are adding all over the top of our cabbage. We're making a super easy and delicious dinner, perfect for the weeknights, perfect for your family, and it's actually pretty healthy. I'm telling you, everybody is going to love this one. Okay, now we need some juiciness. I have rotel here, 2 cans of rotel, just the little small ones, going right on top. I didn't drain those yummy juices. And then I have here some minute rice. This is just 1 cup of minute rice. I like using the minute rice because I think it just cooks up in this dish real nice. And then I have some diced yellow onion here. We're gonna add about 1/2 cup to 1 cup of diced yellow onion. And then I have here some salt. You can use whatever kind of salt you like. I'm just using some coarse kosher salt. And I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon of salt on here. Okay, that's so easy. Look at that. Now, we're gonna take our spatula and we are going to mix this up directly in our baking dish. All right, honestly, I will say I should probably have mixed this in a bowl, but we were already committed to the process. So there you go. Now I have 2 14-ounce cans of beef broth that we are going to gently pour over the entire dish. This is going to create such delicious flavor and moisture. You could also use vegetable or chicken broth if you like. And then I am going to add some mild cheddar shredded cheese on top of my delicious hearty cabbage casserole here. But you do not have to add cheese if you don't like cheese. I know you guys always say, you always add cheese on everything. Well, I love cheese. Okay, that looks great. That was like 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. And before we pop this in the oven, we need to put some foil on. Pop that bad boy right on top. And this is kind of the sad part, but it's so worth it. It's gonna go in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. All right, you guys, this has been in the oven for 1 hour. Let's uncover it, see what it looks like. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. We have to give this another little mix. It should be a lot easier to mix this time because that cabbage has cooked down quite a bit. Okay, let's just pat it down a little bit. And remember, we did not use all of that cheese from earlier because we want cheese incorporated in the dish. And then we also want some cheese on top of the dish. We want it to be nice and cheesy. And we are just going to recover this. And we're gonna pop this back in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until that cabbage is cooked down and the rice is tender. Oh, I am so excited to dig into this. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Oh, look at that rice, The cabbage has cooked down. Let's dig right on in here. Oh yeah, nice and juicy. Mmm. at that. Excuse my voice, you guys. I was under the weather and I'm getting over it. Oh yeah, delicious serving. Ooh, it's steaming hot. I'm gonna have to blow on this. Let's get some cabbage, some rice, some cheese, tomato, onion, everything in here. You have to make this.